I think the standout for me is the pride in which the residents, whether they're in the hospitality end, whether they're in the wine producing, whether in the marketing, they take great pride in what they do. And another thing that's very different for an American, when you speak to many of the people that we met on this tour group, is that they're third, fourth, one was even a 10th generation in the same business. That's very unique for America. First of all, our country's not that old. But secondly, even though we are a country of immigrants, the majority of the children do not follow in their parents' footsteps. I think the unique way the Rive is done is quite remarkable. And the fact that still today, people, in order to be a part of the group, you have to do everything manually. And that's truly not with the majority of the industry, at least in America today. So I think that stands out for me, and also the pride in the winemakers that do work in that area, in the UNESCO Rive area, how proud they are that they continue this ancient tradition.